That is the route Honda took with the Accord, replacing its 3.5-liter V6 with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder derived from the Civic Type R, producing 252 horsepower and 273 pounds-to-foot of torque. It can be paired with a 10-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission. The Camry's 3.5-liter V6 puts out 301 horsepower and 267 pounds-to-foot of torque mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It should be enough to take the checkered flag, but our testing found the V6 got the Camry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and the 2018 Accord 2.0T Touring got to the line in 5.7 seconds. But only when the Turbo 4 is mated to the 10-speed automatic. When we tested the Accord with the 6-speed manual, it took 6.2 seconds.